Welcome friends. In this daily Bitcoin technical analysis video, I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin and I will set my price target for the Bitcoin right now. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel. Links are in this video's description and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you are new, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. Bitcoin is currently trading at $37,399. And it is in this ascending channel. In my yesterday's video, I was told you that there is a very strong resistance. Here you can see Bitcoin hit several times. Bitcoin price hit several times to this resistance level, which is at $37,500 to $37,900. But after that, Bitcoin moves down and price goes down. Here you can see Bitcoin is now again hitting this level. Let me please zoom this. Here you can see Bitcoin is again ready to hit this horizontal resistance. Once Bitcoin break this, in that case Bitcoin will go up, otherwise it will maybe it can go down to hit this zone, $36,400. But now this is very crucial moment, and this is very important moment, because Bitcoin have to decide now, and Bitcoin have to set direction right now. If Bitcoin break this, in that case Bitcoin price will go up, otherwise maybe it will go down. But there is a support zone is at $36,500. If Bitcoin break this support zone and downtrend line, in that case Bitcoin can go down to hit this zone, $35,100 or $35,200. But if Bitcoin break this, then Bitcoin have to break this upper trend line and this again this upper trend line. This is at $39,155. You can say that if Bitcoin break this, in that case our first target will be like this. Once Bitcoin break this, it can hit easily $39,900 or maybe $40,000. But if Bitcoin rejected again from that zone, in that case Bitcoin price will again go down to hit $36,500. And if Bitcoin lose this, in that case maybe price can go down to hit this zone again, $35,100. Once Bitcoin break this zone, in that case definitely Bitcoin price will go up and Bitcoin will set new direction. Otherwise we may see some sideways action like this. But now it is very crucial time. Bitcoin have to set direction right now because of these two things. Let me please show you. First thing is this horizontal resistance, which is at $37,500 to $37,900. Bitcoin have to cross this. Bitcoin have to break this resistance in order to move towards upside. Otherwise Bitcoin can go down again. And if Bitcoin fails to break this again, then maybe we can see some sideways action, or maybe Bitcoin can hit this zone, $36,500, this downtrend line. And after hitting this downtrend line, maybe Bitcoin again go down to hit this $35,100. Bitcoin have to hold this zone. If Bitcoin hold this zone, in that case price will go up and Bitcoin will move sideways. And if Bitcoin break this horizontal resistance, in that case Bitcoin definitely will go up. You have to focus on these levels, $37,500 to $37,900. Once Bitcoin break this, in that case definitely Bitcoin price will go up and will hit my targets. My first target will be $39,900 or $40,500. These are two targets. First target is $39,900 and second target is $40,500. And if unfortunately Bitcoin again rejected from that zone, here you can see Bitcoin fails several times. Bitcoin hit this zone several times, and after that Bitcoin price goes down. But if once Bitcoin break this, in that case definitely it will go up and it will hit my target, $39,900, $40,500. These are two upside targets. Otherwise maybe it can go down to again hit $36,500. And once Bitcoin break this downtrend line, In that case, there is a big support is at $35,100. Bitcoin have to hold this. In that case, Bitcoin will move sideways like this. In that case, Bitcoin can move like this. But this is very, very crucial time. Bitcoin have to break this zone. Once Bitcoin break this horizontal resistance, in that case, definitely it will go up. Otherwise, Bitcoin can go down to hit again $35,100, maybe $34,000. We have to focus these two levels, $35,000 and $36,500 and $35,100. And upside resistance is already you know that it is at $37,500 to $37,900. Let me please show you some indicators. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Hourly candles are above from EMA ribbon, which is a good sign. And let me please show you the volume. Volume is not very satisfactory. There is very less volume in this chart. That is why Bitcoin can move sideways in between 35,000 to maybe 35,000 to 37,000, maybe 34,000 to $37,000. And let me please hide this and let me please show you the VPVR. There is a huge volume is at $36,300, $36,500, $36,800. This is the area, and $35,800, $35,600. This is the area where most of the buying and selling orders are can execute, and these are the main areas. Once Bitcoin break 37,000, I think $37,700. In that case, there is no VPVR tower and there is no resistance. In that case, definitely Bitcoin price will go up. Otherwise, it will move sideways or it will go down. We have to focus on the levels that I already tell you in this video. Let me please show you the RSI. RSI is at 60. It is a good sign. Anything above 50 is a good sign. And now it is above 50 and it is at 60. This is very, very good sign. It means price of the Bitcoin can go up to $40,500 maybe very, very soon. This is the indication. This is my technical analysis, friends. If you like this, then please support my channel and please hit the bell icon right now for the motivation. And please subscribe and hit the bell icon right now. And please thumbs up the like button right now. And if you want to join Binance Exchange, KuCoin Exchange and some other important exchanges, links are in this video's description. Just go to in this video's description and comment section where you can get these links. Just click on these links and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds of your life. My last words are that Bitcoin have to break this zone, $37,900. Once Bitcoin break this zone, in that case $40,500. Otherwise, Bitcoin can go down to hit again $35,100, maybe $34,500, and maybe $34,000. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.